Hey, what's up? I am Tony making food Matta, and today I'm going to give you a quick demo on how to clean your flat top grill. Now, I've been roasting this one for a little while to get it nice and dirty to show you how easy it is to clean a flat top grill using some of these simple items that I provide. Okay, so now you're going to need a couple of different things. Okay, so what I have right here is I have some high temp grill cleaner right here. I have a red scrubby. I have two different types of grill scrapers. Okay, now in some of the stands and in some other areas, other flat tops that you clean, like use grill bricks. Now, I do not want you to use grill bricks. I have this special chemical, okay, high temp grill cleaner that I want you to use, and I want you to use this. These two. Use these to clean your flat top, no grill brick. Super, super simple. Okay, first off, what I am going to do is I am going to scrape my grill with this grill scraper. Okay, all this stuff that's on there that might have been baking on there, you want to scrape off. You want to get all this big stuff off. Okay, so just go around, and that's why you have a couple different scrapers. Scrape this stuff off. Right down here, there's a hole for your grease trap. Take that, scrape that stuff off. Okay. Now you can use this one right here to get those corners. Tommy Light Pants likes to get the corners, so I'm trying to get the corners of the flat top. Now, I've cleaned a flat top probably about 1,457 times. This is probably 1,458 times, but who's counting? If you do it the modified way, you'll be all right. So, flat top, nice and scraped, okay? So now, this flat top was on. We keep our flat top, we cook at about 350 degrees. That's what I want you cooking it on. So, 350 degrees, I take it, I turn it off, okay? Off, off, off. So this is high temp grill cleaner. So now, simply what I'm going to do is just use one packet. One packet is all you need. Just take this, and I'm just going to drizzle it like that. Okay? So, this stuff that comes up, you don't want to breathe that in. So, you're going to take this scrubby, and simply, all you're going to do, just a little bit of this. This is all you really need. Okay, just a little bit of scrubbing, just like this. I'm not even going to put any pressure on it, really. Okay, I'm going to take this, and I'm just going to get everything. Get into the corners, get over here. Just let it do its work. Okay, that's all. I'm not really doing any pressure. I'm not really, if that's what I want to do, no. Just like this, okay? I can get the sides if I want. Just like that. I move, you move, just like that, okay? So I'm not even applying any pressure to this. This high temp grill cleaner stuff, it works the best. It's a lot better than a grill brick. You don't need a grill brick. You got this. This is all you gotta do. Just a little bit of this, okay? So I'm gonna let that sit. Okay, let it sit for a minute. I don't want to breathe this in, but I'm just going to let it sit for a minute. I have a couple of different other things that I'm going to use to finish off this grill. We're almost done with this. So, I have some ice. Not a lot of ice, just a little bit of ice. I have some sort of acid. Okay, you can use lemon juice, lime juice, pickle juice. Vinegar is what I have. A little bit of vinegar, a little bit of water. That's all I need. And then I have just a little bit of straight Chateau Faucet, or AKA water as well. And then we have some towels, okay, nice and folded. So as you can see, the chemical is doing its job. Okay, so now all I gotta do is maybe just go over this just a little bit more. And if I need to scrub something, you will see down here, you will see if you need to actually like scrub into something if I need to, okay? And if I do need to scrub into something too, you always have this guy right here. Get the corners, but you can also scrape in and get whatever you need to do. If you need to get something that's hard, get whatever you need off the grill. But this high temp grill cleaner, this stuff works. I don't need no grill brick. We don't need a grill brick. Just use this, you'll be all right. So get some of these spots if you need to get some, just like this. I don't even need to get anything. This stuff's already clean, but I'm just saying you can do this. All right. So I can go over this again. Right? Simple. I'm not even putting any pressure into this. This high temp grill cleaner, it's good stuff. Counterclockwise swirls, clockwise swirls. Whatever you want to do, you just got to do it. Modify it. Okay? This grill is clean. Now there's only a couple more steps that I need to do. I can take my spatula, my scraper. Now I'm going to scrape all of this chemical down into the grease trap. Now when you do this, you will see if you missed any spots on the grill. And if you did miss any spots, then you can just go over it again just like that. But with this high temp grill cleaner, you should be good. So, now, I'm going to scrape all this stuff, get the corners. So I'm going to scrape all this stuff into my grease trap. Okay, now, take a little bit of my ice. Now watch out for the steam. I just take a little bit of the ice, put a little bit of the ice on there just like that. I can move some of this around, but watch out for the steam. I don't know if you've ever been burned by steam or having steam burn, but steam burns are no good. So, what I'm going to do is I am going to scrape the water from the ice back into the grease trap that's right over here. Okay? Now, what's the vinegar for? What's the acid for? It just brightens up the grill just a little bit. So, take this. Okay, now I have one of my towels, blue towels. I'm going to take this guy and I'm going to take this, put this just like this in here and use this because this can still be hot and there could still be steam generating from here and then steam going through here through the towel will burn you. You don't want to get a steam burn. Steam burns are no good. Okay, so just like this. Remember, I move, you move, just like that. Okay? Now, I'm just going to get up all the excess chemical that's on there. Just like this. Okay? Now, what I can do is I can take another towel, same way, fold it, take my acid right here. Like I said, this is just a little bit of white vinegar and a little bit of water, okay? And now what I can do is I can just push this right over here. I'm going to watch out for that steam again. The same thing. Take this, boom, take this, boom. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to brighten up that grill just a little bit, okay? Let's go back and forth. Now this will brighten up the grill a little bit. It'll get some of that excess chemical off. And then, you know, we're almost there. We're almost good to go. One more step. One more step. And then we are good. Okay? So, just like that. Clean that up. Watch out for this. It might be a little warm. Okay? So now, two options. You can hit it with a little bit more water, or you can just do a damp cloth. Okay? A little bit of water, damp cloth to get some of that vinegar or acid residue off. Okay, then just like this, up and down. Now you've seen how dirty this flat top was. You've seen how little effort that I had to do to clean this flat top and how fast it was and how fast it took me. Just using that high temp grill cleaner. I used that high temp grill cleaner and that was it. I didn't have to scrub with the grill brick. No grill bricks. You gotta use high temp grill cleaner. Okay, so now I'm just gonna hit it with a dry towel. Just like this, just like this. Get those corners, and I am good to go. All right, see, that was minimal effort. How long did it take? What, about 10 minutes, and that was me explaining. So, you can knock this out in 5 minutes if need be. Look at this flat top. This flat top is clean. My job here is done. You guys got Mattafied. Remember, high temp grill cleaner. These red scrubbies. A little bit of water, a little bit of love. That's it. That's all you need. Once again, I am Tony Making Food Matta, and that was just a quick demo on how to clean a flat top grill using the high temp grill cleaner. Thank you, and have a good night.